Today I made Hiccup.
Oh, what is it, Maya?
The shot is off the Hiccup.
You made that by yourself?
Yeah.
By the modeling clay?
Yeah.
It's Hiccup?
Yeah, I make it.
Your list needs to be with Hiccup, Maya.
It was very...
Oh my god. This is very unexpected.
Because I was making late.
Yeah, like, and one of the leg is broken too. Right? The left one.
Mm-hmm.
You did it on purpose?
Yeah.
Oh, there's fingers too.
Oh.
Aww. I can't believe you spent so much time on making this, Maya.
Yeah. And then there's the eye.
There's eyes too. You did a wonderful job.
Because I make some play. Let's make a play.
Is that ear?
No, it's the eye. Because the ear is...
It's really wonderful.
I'm going to make an ear.
But why is the other hand so big?
Because it's a hand.
Alright. Let's just end this video.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.